Welcome to the Future Office Tour at the Plaza in downtown Orlando. This isn't just any office, it's a vision of what the future of workspaces could look like. As you step into this office, you embark on a virtual exploration of what very well be the workplace of tomorrow. The minute you cross the threshold, you are met with an orchestra of light and space. The environment is one where innovative technology merges with ergonomic comfort, all encased within a design that accentuates sustainability and wellness. Visualize verdant green walls and intelligent glass that self-adjusts to the natural light. This is our prediction for the future of office spaces. This isn't just a workplace, it's a playground for the mind. There are zones for collaboration where teams can gather around digital whiteboards and brainstorm on projects. No more stuffy conference rooms, instead, open spaces where creativity flows as freely as the coffee from the automated barista. Privacy isn't sacrificed for openness. There are hushed pods for focused work or confidential calls, offering the perfect balance between community and solitude. But this office isn't all work and no play. There's a wellness area with yoga mats and meditation corners designed to keep stress at bay and productivity at its peak. The technology here is not to be outdone. Imagine a workspace where artificial intelligence is your personal assistant, scheduling your meetings, reminding you of deadlines, and even ordering your lunch. And let's not forget about the virtual reality headsets for immersive presentations or remote meetings, making distance a non-issue. Wrapping up, this tour of the future office space is a peek into a world where work is not just about tasks and deadlines. It's about fostering creativity, promoting well-being, and leveraging technology for a more efficient and enjoyable work experience. This is a place where sustainability meets style, where the traditional office layout is swapped for flexible work zones, and where technology serves as a tool, not a taskmaster. It's where the future of work is already a reality. So as we step out of this futuristic office space, it's clear that the future of work is not just about where we work, but how we work. And if this is any indication, the future looks bright indeed.